Alright, took a little break. Now we're back. Linked up with these guys who know the place pretty well. I don't think okay, what? Yeah, I've never been on this trail entrance unless I did it when I was during the race, and I don't recognize it. But anyways, we are on the Beta 480 RR, I believe it's called. Whoop. So we're gonna take a little break from the 250 and ride this for this. I think we're going, I really don't know what we're doing. I think we're going into trail like 9 extension, I don't know, something like that. We'll see. I think we got a good ride ahead of us though, for sure. So far this thing is smooth. I think I'll be less I think I'll be less fatigued than I got on my 250. I guess we got to go up there.
That ribbon for a race tomorrow. So this is 9C. That's part of the GNCC race.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We're going to come across some ribbons. We're going to go under them. They canceled the race because of the rain.
Okay. So, I don't know. Kind of just going to do a first ride on this Beta. I mean, it's an awesome bike. It's a 2021, I think. I believe my dad's had it for about a year now, a year-ish. Maybe a little more. Woo! I know I'm going to like it already. But after riding this, and then my brother's, that 2023 250 XC, which is a freaking awesome bike as well. My 250, man, she gets the job done, and I think she's the most powerful out of all these different bikes that I'm just talked about. I don't know, these are just a little more newer, obviously, and tighter, but that just comes with having way less hours on them and stuff. And also the electric start would be nice. But at the end of the day, man, I do love my YZ250 two-stroke. I love that thing. And I paid like $4,200, I think, for it during like COVID time. So I'm not in it for too much. Whereas like, I guess they got a race that was supposed to be tomorrow that got canceled because there's supposed to be rain, is what he was saying. But yeah, compared to something like that bike, I mean, I think he paid $8,000 for it. He got it, and if he got it new, it would have been more like 10 probably, but he got it used. Whoa, I don't know how I like this thing on the rocks compared to my 250. Whew. Hate when you lose momentum like that. Okay, yeah. I think this trail is a little more difficult than that first trail we went on, judging by the looks of it so far. Oh, I don't know what gear we were in, but we were freaking bogging down. Pretty good suspension though. I think it's a little stiffer than my 250, or sorry, a little softer than my 250, but stiffer than that 250 XC Cameron's on in front of me. Man, I love this place though. Brushy is awesome. Trying to just ride as much as I can today because it's about 3 hours from me. Need some help? You all right? All right. It's about this point in the ride where you regret putting a sweatshirt on. I'm getting hot now. But yeah, this is my, oh, looks like it gets a little technical here. Whoa! Yeah, it's a little slick over here. So yeah, this is my dad's bike though, the 480. He had a 300 cross trainer too, which is a fun bike. It kind of doesn't rev out too much, like it doesn't have much top end, but it's nice for like trails like this and just trail riding in general. But I don't know, I did do about a year ago, one of the dealerships in my area did a beta ride day, and it kind of turned out to be like a rainy day. And when I say single track, I mean like you could barely fit your bars through it single track that this guy did, because I guess the guy that set it up raced a lot of hare scrambles or GNCC or whatever. So and it was, of course it rained, and then it just got like one line rutted, and it wasn't fun at all to me. So I went and took it. It was at a local North Carolina motorsports park, and I just took the bike over to the intermediate track and I was ripping there. I forget which one it was that I liked the most. It was either the Beta 390, which I want to say it was, or the 420. I don't even know if that's one. I don't even know if that's an actual bike. Woo! It's rocky, baby. Let's get up it. But yeah, I'm blanking on which one I was really, really liking. I want to say it was a 390 though. Woo-hoo! Damn, I missed some of that hill climb. I need to keep the GoPro on. It's getting technical. The gearing's a little bit weird. It's like I want to get out of first. It could just be for this trail and this speed we're going. It's like I want to get out of first, but then sometimes second I come around to a corner and it's a little more boggy than you'd think for a second. But it's really smooth, controllable power, that's for sure. I'm gonna put my visor down before I get hit by a rock. Woo! So rocky. Taking it pretty well. Real smooth and controllable power that doesn't really fatigue you though. I'll give it that. See, like right now I'm in second and it feels good, but maybe just a slight bit boggy. But it's working. That's all that matters. Woo! Woo! Brutal. Let him get ahead a little bit. I'm not right on him. Woo-hoo! Yeah, definitely a more technical trail than that first one we went on. Too many leaves for that speed on the side of a mountain. I got my sweatshirt tied up around my and all tucked in, so feeling better there. I was getting hot. Whoa, sliding, sliding, sliding. Rocky section. Woohoo! Another good one. I mean, it. Woo! Woo! Let's go, baby! Oh. That side doesn't look too much easier. Oh man, that was a good little climb. Whoa! Oh, I didn't get that on video. Another nice little climb. Well, I wish I got that one on video. I thought I hit record, but it wasn't too crazy. I'm sure we'll pass some more nice stuff. This trail's been a good one so far. Not easy, not too crazy hard, but a little rocky mess right here. I'm trying to scout out where I want to go. I could go up on that side. That might look the best. Ooh, this is the case killer. You better have a skid plate going up this one. You need help? Let me see. It actually fell in a way that wasn't too bad. It's an enduro bike. You're gonna freaking get it scratched up, right? This is like his second or third time taking that bike out. All right, my turn now. He's got it. Woo! There you go. Woo! That was some good stuff, yeah. That was rock galore right there. There they are. Yeah, we're up here right now. I think we're starting to make our way down now. But again, I had barely come here, so I don't know how far along we are on this trail, really. Wheelie test. Whoa. Looking at the map, I thought I was getting myself into a super long trail, but that was like 30-40-ish minutes. I don't know, it was fun. It was definitely more challenging. Lots of rocks. I liked it though, I liked it. Woo, it's dusty here. But yeah, other than that, I've rode this bike for like 5 minutes once or twice. But first real ride on this bike, and great bike. I like the Betas. Pretty cool deal. Definitely a good enduro trail bike. Cameron's on my eyes. But yeah, they said woo, they're heading back now. So appreciate y'all watching. I think I'm gonna go out one more time after this. So be sure to subscribe. Got more brushy content coming on for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.